Free Bakkala Garba.
Free Bakkala Garba.
Free Bakkala Garba.
Free Bakkala Garba.
Mee horii gara siitan asirratti kaameeraa illee sirrii ta'uu waraabuu qilxi keessan gara siinaannaa dhifama wajjin. Karas nu qoraa jira keessan bal'isa. Akkas nu qoraa. Free Jawar Mohammed.
Free Jawar Mohammed.
Free Jawar Mohammed.
Free Jawar Mohammed.
Free Bakkala Garba.
Free Bakkala Garba.
Free Bakkala Garba.
Free Bakkala Garba.
We demand justice.
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 Free Dr. Shukut Galata.
Free Dr. Shukut Galata.
Free Dr. Shukut Galata.
Free Dr. Shukut Galata.
Free Mikhail Boran.
Free Mikhail Boran.
Free Mikhail Boran.
Free Mikhail Boran.
Free Jawar Mohammed.
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 Free Oromo political prisoners.
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 We demand justice.
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 Justice for Oromia.
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 Justice for Oromo students.
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 Free Jawar Mohammed.
Free Jawar Mohammed.
Free Jawar Mohammed.
Free Jawar Mohammed.
Oromon.
Oromon.
Oromian.
Oromian.
Nibilisomti.
Nibilisomti.
Oromon.
Oromon.
Oromian.
Oromian.
Nibilisomti.
Nibilisomti.
Oromon.
Oromon.
Gabromu.
Gabromu.
Injiru.
Injiru.
Oromon.
Oromon.
Gabromu.
Gabromu.
Injiru.
Injiru.
Humne.
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 Dhabamna malee.
Dhabamna malee.
Hin gabroomnu.
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 Down, down, Abiy Ahmed, down.
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 Abiy must go.
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 Canada.
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 Stop.
Stop.
Supporting.
Supporting.
Dictatorship.
Dictatorship.
Canada.
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 Stop.
Stop.
Supporting.
Supporting.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
Canada.
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 Stop.
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 Supporting.
Supporting.
Dictatorship.
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 Oromiyan ni bilisomti.
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 Kamsawan.
Kamsawan.
Ni kufa.
Ni kufa.
Kamsawan.
Kamsawan.
Ni kufa.
Ni kufa.
Kamson.
Kamsan.
Kamson.
Kamsan.
Inti kufa.
Inti kufa.
Kamson.
Kamsan.
Kamson.
Kamsan.
Inti kufa.
Inti kufa.
Oromiyan ni bilisomti.
Oromiyan ni bilisomti.
Because I feel like it needs to be repeated. My friend Milto said it best in her tweet, political prisoners have always been a part of the Oromo art and music, and it's embedded in our songs and oral traditions. Our most outspoken artists are often targeted because of their work to be a potential liberating force. The past several days have been super tough for all of us. I was given the news that hit me so much different than anything that's been going on in 2020, and it's been a lot. We were slapped back with the reality that once again, to be Oromo is to not know what freedom is. We lost a giant in our Oromo community. Hachalu was not only killed by the coward that pulled the trigger, he was killed by the system that time and time again has often plotted against our livelihoods as Oromos. As Oromos, it just seems we have two choices, freedom or death. As Oromos, my father always tells me the story when he was in the 9th grade that they killed his hero, Tedesse Biro, and they celebrated on the radio for over a week. I could have never remotely understood that story till this week. They killed my hero. Time and time again, they celebrate our pain while they tell us to bow our heads and respect their decisions. We are not going to respect anymore. We're done. Hachalu is the last one. They killed Teresi Biro, my dad's hero, in 1975. That was 45 years ago. We are in 2020. And time again, they continue to plot against us. They continue to take our voices. But today we're no longer going to be voiceless. We are their voices.
Yes.
Sad and angry is an understatement. Oromo people were empowered by this man through his music, his spoken words, him just being unapologetically Oromo, his unwavering passion that gave us the drive to lift our heads when they consistently try to bow it down. He gave us the soundtrack to our drive, to our voice, to our revolution. He was our voice, and they tried to take it away from us. Let me just say to the coward that killed Hachalu, you failed, you failed, you failed, you failed. The fire of Hachalu will be instilled in all of us. We are going to continue his voice, and we are going to continue to be the voices of the Oromo people, the Oromo struggle, the Oromo liberation. We are Oromo. The line is drawn and it is clear. There is nothing more to understand or debate about. They not only tried to kill Hachalu, they tried to kill our voice, our drive, our identity. Let me just say again, one more time, to the coward who pulled the trigger, you failed. You woke up the fire that Hachalu has instilled in all of us. And while they continue to arrest our leaders back home, let me leave you with the quote from the iconic Black Panther. You can jail a revolutionary, but you cannot jail a revolution. And in this case, you can try to kill our leaders and our voices, but our voices will be louder. You already woke up the giants, and we are going to continue to fight. Oromia Nimbilisunti. All powers to the Eros. Long live Hachalu. Oromo Jetu. Oromo Jetu. Oromo Jetu. Oromo Jetu. Oromia Nimbilisunti.
Oromia Nimbilisunti.
Free our political prisoners. Free our political prisoners. Free our political prisoners. Stop killing Oromo people.
Stop killing Oromo people.
Stop killing Oromo people.
Stop killing Oromo people.
Justice for Hachalu.
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 Justice for Free Jawad.
Free Jawad.
Free Bakala Garba.
Free Bakala Garba.
Free Bakala Garba.
Free Bakala Garba.
Release our political prisoners. Release our political prisoners. Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Stop killing Oromos.
Stop killing Oromos.
Stop killing Oromos.
Stop killing Oromos.
Justice for Oromos.
Justice for Oromos.
Justice for Oromo.
Justice for Oromos.
Justice for the Oromo people.
Justice for Oromo people.
Free Jawad.
Free Jawad.
Free Bakala.
Free Bakala.
Justice for Hachalu.
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 Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia.
Stop killing Oromo people.
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 We are done.
We are done.
We are done.
We are done.
This is the last time.
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 Justice for Hachalu.
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 Abi must go.
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 Stop killing Oromo people.
Stop killing Oromo people.
Stop killing
people.
Justice for Hachalu!
Justice for Hachalu.
Justice for Hachalu!
Justice for Hachalu.
Justice for Hachalu!
Justice for Hachalu.
Stop killing Oromo people!
Stop killing Oromo people.
Stop killing Oromo people!
Stop killing Oromo people.
Free our political prisoners!
Free our political prisoners.
Free our political prisoners!
Free our political prisoners.
Free for our political prisoners!
Political prisoners.
Free Oromia!
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia!
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia!
Free Oromia.
Free Oromia!
Free Oromia.
Justice for Oromos!
Justice for Oromos.
Justice for Oromos!
Justice for Oromos.
Justice for Oromos!
Justice for Oromos.
Sagalee keenya dhageessisuudhaaf miti. Iyyaaka! 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 Free Jawar! Free Jawar! Free Hamza! Free Hamza! Free Bakkala! Free Bakkala! Free all political prisoners! Free Jawar! We demand justice! We demand justice! Innagamu jedhaga!
We demand justice!
Sagaleen keessan innagamu kan inni dhufne ergaa dabarsachuudhaaf akka namni dhaga'uudhaaf sababii ta'eef iyya dabarsa. Jirtu ijoolleen ammoo jirtu ijoolleen shawaa jirtu ijoolleen salaalee jirtu ijoolleen dirree jirtu ijoolleen finfinnee jirtu ijoolleen wallaggaa jirtu ijoolleen dambii jirtu ijoolleen naqamtee jirtu iyya keessan dhageessisa. Free Jawar! Free Jawar!
Free Jawar.
Free Bakkala!
Free Bakkala.
Free Bakkala!
Free Bakkala.
Free Girma Gutama!
Free Girma Gutama.
Free Hamza!
Free Hamza.
Free Hamza!
Free Hamza.
Innagamu sagaleen Free Hamza!
Free Hamza.
Akka isaan gadhiifamanitti hin ijinaa hamma sagaleen keenya dhaga'amuutti itti fufna. OMN ulaagaalee malee haa banamu. OMN haa banamu. OMN haa banamu. OMN haa banamu. OMN haa banamu. Wayyaa wataaddaraa baate kaasanii achi ba'anii nama sodaachisuun doofummaadha. Doofummaadha. Lafa deemanitti soba sobuun doofummaadha.
Ijoolleen Oromoo jirtu. Ijoolleen Oromoo jirtu.
Jirra.
Ijoolleen Baalee jirtu.
Jirra.
Ijoolleen Wallaggaa jirtu.
Jirra.
Ijoolleen Amboo jirtu.
Jirra.
Ijoolleen Walloo jirtu.
Jirra.
Ijoolleen Wallaggaa jirtu.
Jirra.
Jiru jedhame.
Jirra.
Jiru jedhame.
Jirra.
Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti.
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 Biyya walaabamte ni ijaaranna. Oromiyaan ni ijaaranna. Oromiyaan ni ijaaranna.
Oromiyaan ni ijaaranna.
Gabroonfataan ni kuffifna. Ajjeesaan ni kuffifna. Oromiyaan ni ijaaranna. Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti. Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti. John Mohammed. Free John Mohammed. Free Bakkala Garba. Free Hamza Barana. Free Girma Gutama. Free Abdi Ragasa. Oromoo ni bilisooma. Naftanyaa nunnaalu. Waliin naalamni jettamee dubbataa naftanyaa nunnaalu. Naftanyaa nunnaalu. Qeerroon gaachana Oromooti. Qeerroon wabii Oromooti. Qeerroon wabii Oromooti. Biyya keenya ni ijaaranna. Oromiyaa keenya ni ijaaranna. Daangaa keenya dhiigaan ni sararra. Guma jaalawwanii ni deeffanna. justice. We need 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 justice. Free Bakala Garba. Free Bakala Garba. Free Bakala Garba. Free Bakala Garba. Free Mikhail Boran. Free Abdi Ragasa. Free Abdi Ragasa. Free Abdi Ragasa. Biya Kenya ni jarana. Biya Kenya ni jarana. Biya Kenya ni jarana. Biya Oromo ni jarana. Biya Oromo ni jarana. Eren wabi aramat. Eren wabi aramat. Eren ijaramat. Oeman ijaramat. Oeman guraramat. Oeman nufaramu. Sagala Kenya ni nakasi mana. Mirga Kenya ni palmana. Amabil samnu tinjalivnu. Haraka famanjangalu. Haraka fayinangalu. Sarsiwana ni jaramna. Hamza kena fina mana. Ayo jallawa ni galmangana. Hadara jallawa ni galmangana. Baba wanku balik di Muslimna.
Okay, thank you so much. Bill for Oromia. Ethiopia. Ethiopia. You have never been for Ethiopia. Been for Oromia. Been for Oromia. One more time, Ethiopia. Ethiopia. You have